To start creating our garden service logo, we're going to create a blank logo canvas. Once you've opened up your canvas, then you're ready to start. You're going to press T for text, and you can also add text by using the menu on the left hand side. You are going to type M for your menu, and you're going to change the font. We're using Open Dyslexic font because the Open Dyslexic is very similar to garden and grass and trees and things like that. So when you're designing a logo, try as much as possible to make your font follow whatever kind of business that you're designing for. So our M, we're going to make the size of this M 140. And we're going to add another text. And we're going to add the rest of the customer's surname. And we're going to change the size of that and make it a 55. We're going to align it just above the M because the gardening services is going to go underneath there. Great stuff. Next, you're going to add more text. You press T for your text, and you're going to reduce this text and make it a 22. And then you're going to change the font to open source semi-bold for this one. And then you're going to type the garden services, and you change the color of that and make it green. So the first G, you're going to make a capital letter G for this one. And you're going to make it a little bit bigger than the rest of the sentence. And we're going to make this G a 24. You align it nicely. Alignment is everything in design. If it's controlling you, I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. 'Cause I feel like copy your G. And you make that G and S. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this. Life is a nuisance. Types nuisance. Copy the rest of the words and you add them there. It's like this, it didn't exist. You made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good. Got a glass halfway. I know it's easier to hide and just to lay. And you play around with your alignment so that all of the words are aligned on the left hand side and they're aligned everywhere. And then once you're happy, then you will change the color of this bottom text and make it a bright green. Now we're almost done with our design. We're going to make a tree out of this L. So how we do that, we're going to copy this text and then we're going to type a capital letter I. With our capital letter I, we're going to rotate it so that it is 180 degrees, and you're going to move your L to align with the I so that you have a nice tree going on over there. Nicely done. And once you're happy with everything, you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for leaves. And with the leaves, you're going to go for graphics and you're going to scroll down until you find the leaves that you would like to add. I loved these ones and I'm going to make a tree out of those ones. And then you have your tree going on like that. So this text must be the same as our green. You highlight everything, you size it, and you make it in the center, and your 2D logo is done. You're then going to go share, and you're going to go to download, and you're going to download it as a transparent background. If you don't have a transparent background, go to my link down below and try Canva Pro for free for 30 days and see how it feels like. You're then now going to go to Photopea and you're going to convert it to a 3D. I want to let you know that if you're struggling with converting to 3D, I've created a ebook for you. So go to the description below, go find the ebook. It's got screens and it's beautiful and it's done in such a way that it is not a video because people learn completely different. So if you are a learner guide kind of a person, the ebook is just for you. Go to the description below, go download it for yourself, and then go step by step and learn the steps at your time, at your pace. Now, we're going to do the video side for the learners that love video. When you get here, this PDS template, I've downloaded it from unblast.com. You're just going to open from computer and go find your PDS file. and you have it load on Photopea. Once it's loaded on Photopea, you're going to go where it says placeholder. You double click on the checkered box, and then it loads an example for us. You click on the eye to hide the designer's guidance. You drag your logo that you've just created to the canvas. You size it. You center it until you see the red lines. You go File, Save as Smart Object. If you don't see Save as Smart Object, that means you don't have an object to save. So you've missed a step. Go back below or go download the ebook for yourself. Once it has saved as a smart object, you click once where it says Paper Pressed PSD and you wait. And your gorgeous 3D logo for a garden service is done and dusted, created, beautifully done. You're going to go File, Export as PNG, and you're going to reduce the width to 700 to reduce the pixelation, and then you're going to click on Save. What you can do now, you can go to learnwithza.com and go register for the course that I've created just for you to take you step by step when it comes to Canva, from the beginning until the whole Canva. Not the whole. We've covered a lot of sections on Canva. We've actually covered 6 sections. So go register for the course. I will see you there. Thanks for joining me.